HVAC or plumbing size, they come with it. Like a glove. We'll pull this out, we'll braze everything, and then I'll end up connecting these once I come back from the parts store, because that gas line, it's just gonna be a pain to work on that gas with everything right there. Right, I like to get a little extra just in case. And this one pulled out too, so I can just pop in directly. Like factory brazes right there. We'll go in, low nitrogen, get all that set out. We'll be rocking and rolling. There we go. That's pretty much how you bend and braze everything in.